Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I've got even more stuff from Calvin's Puzzle. So I love mirror blocks. I really want mirror blocks to become an official event, and this is like mirror blocks plus a 2x2 mirror block in one. Now, in reality, this is just one mirror block, but it looks really cool. So here we've got the largest side down here, so this is connected to the smallest side. Let's just scramble this up and get to it. It looks like it's two Shangsho mirror cubes connected. And a fun thing about the company Shangsho. So when I started cubing, everyone called it Shangshao. Then there was one prominent cuber who said it's actually Shangshu. So I started calling it Shangshu. And then pretty soon after that, people were like, no, it's Shangsho. Well, then they changed the way their name is written to be Sengso, S-E-N-G-S-O, and I don't know if it's supposed to be pronounced that way. So if you know any of that information, let me know, because I'd love to find out. Also, this is available at SpeedCubeShop. You can use discount code SCR to save even more at checkout. I'll have a link in the description to where you can get it. This looks much more jumbled than I thought. It looks like it's just a regular mirror cube with some gold and some silver pieces. Normally when I solve the mirror cube, I start with the smallest side, but because that's not really going to work with these silver pieces, I'm going to start with the largest side, which is this one right here. And nope, that's not the largest. For sure not the largest, because it's this one right there. So let's see here. So we want to do edges first. So we've got one edge. And all the gold edges are down there. Second edge. And then this one's flipped, so that's got to be... Ooh, what's going to be interesting with this is I don't know what the other centers are like, so I can't use those as a guide. Like, these two are right, but should these be here or the other way? We'll have to just figure out from corners. So let's start with... that corner's down, and then that one. Yep, I think these are possibly flipped. Yes. No. Yes. There we go. That's correct now. And that's correct now. So we just have one more corner, or we could do a little bit of keyhole here where we do basically something like that. Insert the edge. And then, oh, well, I ended up solving that corner accidentally, so that's fun. Sean, great job. Good job on that one. So this looks like it goes right here maybe. Nope, it does not. So it goes here. Or was it just flipped? It does go there. Okay. It does go there. Then we have... that. There we go. And the last edge is this one right here, where we want to do... Okay, now that I've gotten this far, I'm wondering if it would have been easier to do the silver side first. That way I can see more easily how this is supposed to go. I mean, I can tell from this, these edges are good. That edge looks good, but that one doesn't, which you can't have an odd number of flipped edges. So something is incorrect, and that is. I just didn't even realize that. Okay, well, let's flip that one edge. Whoop, come on. There we go. Okay, so that edge is good, that edge is good, that's bad, that's bad. That corner's bad, that corner's bad. We can't have three bad corners. No, you can't have... oh, these are just orientation, so that can be the case. So let's see if I can do this in one OLL. Two bad edges, three bad corners, which means... yeah, that would be like the... okay, so that would be something like this. The Fatsoon. Did I do it correctly? Yes! There we go. Now let's put this here, and we need to swap these two edges. Oh, we have a lot to adjust. Okay, there we go. So we need to swap these two edges and these two corners, which is an F permutation. There we go. Wonderful. I really like this one. This will be a display one. Definitely might mod it to help a little bit with corner cutting. But this is, I'm starting to really like showpiece puzzles again. I used to have a big wall of cubes behind me, if you remember, back in the day, what I used to do. And I moved that so I had more space to actually create videos and have a studio that has a green screen and all of that. And I didn't really want to collect things. I didn't have a display, but now since I have a classroom, I'll put some puzzles out for display so kids can check it out and scramble them. And I have some students that can solve cubes really well, some that are learning. And now I'm really enjoying showpieces like the hamburger as well. But if you want to pick this one up, it is available right now at SpeedCubeShop.com. Use discount code SCR to save at checkout. Please let me know other puzzles you'd like me to check out, and let me know if you think MirrorCube should be in the WCA, because I sure do, and I know other people have already spoken their mind in other videos, but I want to hear it again. Tell me that you want MirrorCubes in the WCA, and if you don't, tell me you do anyways. So thank you very much for watching. Please hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.